severe explosion has occurred at a major chemical industrial park in Leverkusen, Germany, sending toxic smoke billowing above the city, with residents told to stay indoors and close all windows and doors. On Tuesday morning, Leverkusen's Chempark, an industrial complex for the chemical industry, tweeted that the cause of a huge explosion was uncertain, but called on all residents of the city to stay indoors, keeping all windows and doors firmly shut. It confirmed that the incident occurred at its disposal center after early reports suggesting the location was a waste incineration plant. According to Chempark, more than 70 companies operate from its various sites across Germany. The facilities in Leverkusen, Dormagen and Krefeld-Uerdingen account for around 1/3 of the total chemical production running west. The Collagen Fire Brigade said it was assisting the Leverkusen Fire Brigade with its operations, adding that the smoke plume could be seen from miles away. Footage shared online shows the smoke swelling out of the facility, which is apparently owned by the biochemicals giant on the banks of the Rhine. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.